Hey, it's Holly. And I know you guys probably love Etsy as much as I do. So the other day I was up like super late at night. I don't even know. It's probably like the next morning by the time I was actually in bed. But I was laying in my bed and I was on my phone just scrolling. And I found this crochet shop, or well, this shop on Etsy called, let me get it out so I can make sure here. Kay's Crochet Patterns. And she had a Crochet Mystery Box. So I got like super excited. Like my heartbeat was just pounding and I wanted to wake my husband up, but he had to go to work, so I didn't. So I went ahead and ordered it. It was $20 plus $6 shipping, and I paid totally. This wasn't like sponsored. She didn't send it to me. She has no idea who I am. Anyways, so let me read the description to you. Fun mystery box of crochet items that may or may not include yarn, crochet hooks, patterns, and crochet supplies and accessories. And I got like so excited. So I waited patiently, and it's been about a week. And no, it hasn't even been a week. It's been, because I ordered it on Thursday. It's been a couple of days, like 5 days. And my kids came running upstairs and was like, Mom, look! And I got so excited because I love getting packages. It's like Christmas every time I go to the mailbox. But I waited patiently to open it here with you guys. But no more patience. Let's do this. Let's open up this mystery crochet box. So I have, see, it's completely sealed. Haven't done anything with this. I have no idea. I've never ordered one of these before. So, I mean, I'm excited to see what's in here. I'm kind of hoping for like some cool crochet accessories, like maybe a hook or something. I don't know, but really I don't care. I'm a crochet hoarder. Just cutting. Kids, always be careful with scissors. Ooh, see, I almost got myself. There we go. Okay, I think I got it this time. I know, that's super, super dangerous. Oh my goodness! I saw something in here that I don't have, and I'm so excited about. Okay. Let's see. There's a little paper. I'm not going to show you. Don't look, everybody. Alright, it's just my little... So, first off, I'm going to pull this guy out. This is some Eco Highland Duo. Ooh. This is like ridiculously soft yarn. It's so soft. It's this pretty like tan color. It is 70% undyed baby alpaca and 30% undyed merino wool. Oh, this is so nice. So it's completely undyed. I wonder if I could dye this. I don't know. But I mean, I don't even care. This is beautiful color tan, and I'm not joking. Probably like out of all my yarns, the softest yarn I've ever felt. Beautiful. That has to be at least, we're close to the $20 mark. And then I got 2 skeins of Burnett Handicrafter cotton, which is great for making like pot holders and dishcloths and fun stuff like that. And my kids, they love this Burnett's cotton. So, and this is like a white with some blue, green, and purple. I don't know if that's catching on camera. Super happy. There's this. Oh, I was just at Hobby Lobby a week or so ago, and I saw these. It's like a skein of yarn with a little hat topper. Like you crochet the hat out of this, and then you stick the topper. Sorry if my dog's growling is on camera. She's a little disgruntled these days, but she's okay. This is so cute, and it's blue and yellow. I'm not trying to start any wars on here, but I was born near Ann Arbor, Michigan. I am kind of a Michigan fan. You know, go blue. But not really. I don't watch sports much, but have to. Okay. And this is the thing I got pretty excited about. It's a yarn bowl. It does look like it might have been a used yarn bowl. It has a couple like little scratches there, but I don't care. I mean, if anybody knows me on the channel, you know I love thrifting and thrifting finds, so this is amazing. I will totally use this. Oh, I love this. Let's see. It actually has her name in the bottom. Maybe she made this. I don't know. I'm gonna have to check out her channel more because it literally says kayscrochet.com. But I guess, you know, you could get that like embossed in there. I don't know. Either way, I absolutely love this. Cannot wait to try this. I've been wanting a yarn bowl for like ever. I keep dropping hints to my husband and hoping that he'll get me one. Hint, hint, yarn bowl. And there's just a couple more things, and they go together. It is a rotary cutter and a blade. Oh, so this is for fleece and heavier fabrics. That's really cool. I have one, but not for heavier, and I don't have this style. I'm going to take it out of the package because, you know, it's an unboxing. You have to take everything out. Well, who doesn't love crinkle paper, right? Is that great, guys? No? All right. Oh, really cool. Also, it's like it's like a little... That's fun. I'm going to play with that forever. Without the blade in, though, because that's dangerous. But I wonder... I don't know what these little knobs here are for. Maybe these are for... Oh, I guess putting the blade in. See, blonde moment again. I don't know what this button's for, though. Oh, it's a lock, probably. Oh, yeah. See, I can't play with it. So, this is super cute. And love getting this. I love the yarn bowl. But I have to say, maybe my favorite is this really soft alpaca. So soft. Pretty. Okay, anyways, back to the channel. So I think for $20, let me see here, we got the alpaca / merino wool, super soft. The two little Burnett guys. The adorable little hat that you can make with the little football. The little cutter with a blade and a yarn bowl. I think it was worth it. And it was totally fun, and I got super excited just ordering it and then super excited getting it. I'm definitely going to go and probably order again. So this might be like a monthly or bi-monthly thing for me. I don't know. I'll have to look into it. But again, it was Kay's Crochet Patterns on Etsy. I recommend totally going over and checking it out. I mean, for 20 bucks, this alone would probably cost you 20 bucks. It's, you know, beautiful yarn. Well, maybe not, but still worth it to me. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and don't forget to check out the giveaway, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye! See you next time.